Hey, in this video, I will be demonstrating how to assemble a beautiful bridal bouquet. This bouquet can be used by the bride, the bridesmaid, anyone that's a part of your bridal party, okay? Now, I will be using fresh flowers. I have a special affinity for fresh flowers, and I am going to be using roses and also hydrangeas, right? So we are going to be layering the under part of the hydrangeas, right, with roses, right? So you're just going to circle the roses around the hydrangea flower, okay? And then if you want it to, of course, you would want it to have a very voluminous look when you are assembling a bouquet. In order to do that, all the flowers must be fully bloomed, right? So when you are working with roses, you can actually open them by hand and they'll be perfectly fine, and they'll give you that more full look to your bouquet, right? And then you just sort of pat like I am doing here, sort of pressing it down and shaping it to have a circular shape to the bouquet. All right. And then I am going to add a beautiful floral pin right in the center of the rosebud. Okay. And then next I am going to be adding a beautiful pink precious satin ribbon, and just sort of twist it around your finger and then just simply pull, okay? And then that'll give you a nice texture. And then I am going to be taking the floral shears that I have and cutting straight across the bottom of the bouquet, all right? And make sure that it is even straight across. Now, isn't this precious? This is the final product. It's lovely. And most important, it was inexpensive, right? Because when you are planning a wedding, please don't go over budget. Okay, listen, I know you say, oh, but Auntie Star, I want to have the wedding of my dreams. Listen, your dream will turn into a nightmare if you overspend. Okay, you don't want to have to come home from your honeymoon and then you and your husband have to eat peanut butter and jelly sandwiches and bologna sandwiches. Okay, listen, the average wedding and reception only lasts about 10 to 12 hours. Now, don't go in debt for 10 or 12 hours, okay? You don't want that. Save that money for a rainy day, because trust me, the rain is coming, right? Save that for investment and retirement and all that good stuff, right? And focus on the fact that you are blessed to have someone in your life that you're going to spend the rest of your wonderful days with, right? That's most important. It's not the size of the wedding, it's the size of the love, because Auntie Star made her own wedding bouquet. And we had Costco chicken, and that was almost 15 years ago. See that? Remember, it's not the size of the wedding, it's the size of the love, okay? And remember, do not ever give up before the miracle happens. God bless. Bye.